Hello everyone! I'm going to make a video today. What's in my refrige? Most people talking about what's in my bag, but my bag inside doesn't have anything, just pencil case and books. So, uniquely, this is my thinking, uniquely, I'm talking about my refrige. Why I choose this small refrige. 10 years ago, I had big two-door refrige, and I one day realized that I waste my food, and I found some food left inside of it, and I bought new some of them again. I talked to myself, wake up, Cassie, you need to change your mind. So how I said to change my mind, first of all, saving environment. Second, saving my money. Third, saving my health. You can see, even if I don't explain whole things. So now you will see what's in my fridge. First of all, fridge. Nothing else. Some of frozen food and beef butter. And there are some 고추장, 된장, and some 고춧가루. And these are cheese and pineapple. It's grams and 2 beers. Yes, it's been here for 3 months, I guess. And my only kimchi and our fruits and vegetables. Not many things, I know. And some sauce. We love sauce. After I change my small refrige, I get better mental health. How? First of all, I don't need to make money to save food. Less stress, I mean. Second, I don't need to put my time for groceries, cooking, and washing dishes. Third, I get diligent. Whenever I want some food, I have to go out. I literally have to walk to get some. That makes me not too lazy. I will tell you these 3 things you're gonna shocked. First of all, you can save money 300,000 won in Korean won per person a month. That's a big deal, right? You can do this. Second, you can save your time for 3 hours a day. Think about this. 3 hours chilling with your family, more quality time. And third, saving environment. I don't know the other country, but in Korea, we put our wasting food in a plastic bag. Only one example, this one. 1 plastic bag, and I put 1.5 liter plastic bag per a week. But usually I use double or triple, like 10 liters a week. So think about this. Please think about this. You can do this. Please don't waste your time. Don't waste your money for the big refrige. It takes up space. You don't need to. And also, you'll be happy. Your body and mental healthy. Please don't buy big refrige. 우와, 끝까지 보신 건가요? 훌륭하십니다. 좋아요 꾹과 함께 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다.